Seven causes of obstacle to efficient listening comprehension. The first one is listener cannot control the speed of delivery. Many English language learners believe that the great difficulty with listening comprehension is that the listener cannot control how quickly a speaker speaks. The second, listener cannot always. This is a serious problem is a learning situation. In the classroom, the decision as to the whether or not to replay a recording or a section of a recording is not in the hand of student. Teacher decide what and when to repeat listening passage. However, it is hard for the teacher to judge whether of or the student have understood. This is a serious problem in learning situation. In the classroom, the decision to whether or not to replay a recording or a section is in the hand of student. Teacher decide what and when to repeat listening passage. However, it is hard for the teacher to judge whether or not the student have understood any particular section of what they have heard. The third, listener have a limited vocabulary. The third, listener have a limited vocabulary. The speaker may choose word to listener he doesn't know. Listener sometimes encounter an unknown word which may cause them to stop and think about the meaning of the word and thus cause them to miss the next part of the speech. The fourth, listener may fail to recognize the signal which indicate the speaker is moving from one point to another, giving an example or repeating a point. This marker used in formal situation or lecture such as secondly or then are comparatively evident to listeners. In formal situation or spontaneous conversation, signal are figure are is a pauses, gesture, encourage, slowness, a clear change of pitch of different intonation patterns. Five, listener may lack like contextual knowledge. Sharing mutual knowledge and common context make communication easier. Even if listener can understand the surface meaning of the context, they may have a considerable problem in comprehending the word meaning of the passage unless they are familiar with the context. Nonverbal clues such as facial expression, notes, gesture, or tone of voice can also be easily misinterpreted by listeners from different cultures. The sixth, it can be difficult for listeners to concentrate in foreign language in listening comprehension. Even the shortest break in attention can seriously impair comprehension. Conversation is easier when students find the topic of the listening passage interesting. However, students sometimes feel listening is very tiring even if they are interested because it requires an enormous amount of effort to follow the meaning. In the last seven, student may have uh, established certain learning habits such as wish to understand every word. Teachers want students to understand every word they hear by repeating and pronouncing word careful by grading the language to suit their level by speaking slowly and so on. As a result, they tend to become worried if they fail to understand a particular word of praise and they will be discouraged by the failure. It is necessary for students to tolerate forgiveness and improve sense of understanding. Okay, until here I explained about seven causes of obstacle to efficient listening comprehension. Let's say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.